Today our journey is to this beautiful place called Shivalaya, which is in Arsikere, which is around 170 kilometers from Bengaluru. In order to reach to this place, you need to travel through Tumkuru, Tippaturu and reach this place in Arsikere. This temple belongs to 12th century, built in Hoysala architectural style. Hi guys, I am at the place called Chandramoleshwara temple, and this temple is around like 160 to 180 kilometers from Bangalore, and this Chandramoleshwara temple is situated in Arsikere, that is in Karnataka. So please do visit. This is a Hoysala architectural temple, so beautiful. Come, let's go and watch around how the temple is. This temple has a 16-pointed star-shaped mandapa which is beautiful and carved like a lotus from inside. As we can see, the barricades and scaffoldings that put inside the mandapa, the renovation work is going on from very long time. After witnessing the beauty of the tomb, we moved inside the temple, where we found intricately and beautifully carved pillars and tombs same as outside. Moola Vigraha is of Lord Shiva, which is known as Ishvara, Shivalaya and Chandramoleshwara over here. This is the place where you can take beautiful pictures of Hoysala architecture with the beautiful carvings around, in and out of the temple. As Hoysala architecture is famous for its carvings of Lord Vishnu, you can see beautiful carvings of Lord Vishnu around the temple on the walls of the temple. You can also see the Nandi, which is sitting on the top of the temple in front of the tomb. As this temple is maintained by archaeological department, this temple looks beautiful with the greenery around, which is maintained by archaeological department, that is with lawns around and with the greenery trees which is planted inside the compound of the temple. This is not only the temple which you can see over here, there are many other Hoysala temples which is around this place. There is a place called Harnalli where you can find two temples which belongs to Hoysala dynasty, which I will take you in the next episode. More than Chandramoleshwara temple, this temple is known as Shivalaya or Ishvara temple. When you want to visit this place, you can check with the localites with the name of Ishvara. This is the beautiful place where you can take good number of architectural images and you can take the portrait photography around the temple, as this temple has a beautiful architecture around. There were few more Shiva temples inside the campus where we found beautiful pillars that were around the temple. Here are few of my clicks which I clicked when I visited this beautiful temple. So this is the life where we live for one time. So visit to this beautiful place and witness the architectural beauty of 13th century. By clicking few beautiful clicks of the beautiful temple, I finished my journey to this place. Then later on moved to Harnalli, which I will continue in the next vlog. So please friends, like, share and comment on my video. Please do subscribe to my channel. So please subscribe to my channel to get notifications on beautiful temples around.